Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today I would like to talk about very important notification which is received from the Karnataka State Law University, Hubli. Karnataka State Law University has been directed to all affiliated colleges of KSLU to start or to conduct the offline classes for the 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB for the first semester students. They have been directed to conduct offline classes, not online classes. That KSLU has been directed offline classes to be conducted. All the respective affiliated colleges under KSLU to be started for the first semesters academics, especially 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB. They have mentioned they have further directed to for 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB for remaining semesters for them they will notify as soon as possible to conduct the academic sections. So this is how today we have received the very important notification that too for first semester 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB they have to start the classes offline classes to taken care, like all COVID related issues to be taken care with, all like that colleges has to be sanitized and properly, and everyone has to wear the mask and social distance also to be maintained. Like that they have to conduct the offline classes for the first semester 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB. They have been not directed so far for the remaining semesters, like um, third year, second year, or some other, like except first semester they have not been directed to conduct the uh, offline classes. They will notify very soon for even our, what do you call, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year, what we call 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB. For that also will be get notified to conduct the offline classes. So that as you all know, the admissions are still going on for even first semester as well as the third semester, fifth semester, like that. Whatever the odd semesters admissions are going on, maybe this month 25th is the last date for admitting for all respective, what do you call, except first semester, remaining the remaining semesters admission date with fine. This month 25th is the last date. Till that time everyone has to be admitted. Then again further KSL will be going to direct to conduct the offline classes for even other semesters also. But till that time we have to wait and see when they will be going to start the academics for the remaining semesters. What do you call, they have announced for first semester 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB. Remaining semester they have not announced to conduct the offline classes. So we hope KSL will be going to direct again further to conduct the offline classes for remaining semester. This is how notice we have received today. So that's the same only I have been given the information furnished in this video. I hope this video will be going to help to get admissions very soon, and even most of the first year first semesters they will be there in still native, and still they don't know the whether colleges have been started or not. KSLU today has been directed to all affiliated colleges to conduct the offline classes. Hence, there is no controversy in that. Every first semester, especially for 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB, please attend the classes properly so that you can have a offline classes. This is the good opportunity to can obtain the knowledge for the legal subjects. Already have made video for first semesters, especially freshers, how to prepare for your LLB examinations, how to prepare your notes, what all the subject have been covered under first year, everything, what are best tips I have made already video, that please you can utilize, go through that video, we will have an idea about how to face your LLB examination, especially in the first year, first semester. First semester students, many of the students, they don't know how to chase and how to deal and how to face your examination and how to prepare yourself for the LLB examinations, especially how to read and how to write your notes. So many things you have a confusion in your mind. So that I have been already made in my YouTube channel. Please go through that video so that you will have a very good idea about what to do after joining your LLB course. I hope all the very best for your LLB, and especially for the first year, first semester students, all the best for your academics and as well as for the upcoming LLB examinations. For any kind of doubts, please be mentioned in the my YouTube channel comment so that I can make videos for your priority. So please do subscribe my channel Alin Kumar KT so that you will get notified like this video. Periodically, I can give notification updation of notifications and academics and LLB examination tips. There are a number of tips I can able to give, and since I am a motivational speaker, I can motivate our students to get score good marks and as well as they can able to pass very easily. Through motivation I can motivate many of the students through my channel. Once again I request to all to subscribe my channel. Please do forward my video as many as possible so that they will also get benefited. Thank you.